How to share app link from Play Store. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Play Store, and once you do that, go to the app that you want to share the link of. Say for example this one right here. Once you're there, click on the three dots at the top right corner, then click on share. And here it will open up this window from which you will be able to share the app link. You can either use one of these options right here, or you can just copy the link and share it outside this app. It's very easy and simple process. So that was it for this video. That's how you can share the link of an app from the Google Play Store. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.